In its first 5 days, ChatGPT hit 1 million users. A few months later, that number crossed 100 million. But if you talk to most creators who have actually tried using it to grow their YouTube channels, they'll tell you the same thing. The ideas it gives them are usually unusable. The problem starts with how we view the tool. It's common to treat ChatGPT like a mind-reading magic wand, something that should instantly guess what you want and spit out a viral video out of thin air. A creator logs in and types a vague instruction, like, "Give me ideas for my channel." And because the prompt is generic, the AI hands back a list of robotic topics that wouldn't appeal to a real audience. When this happens, it's easy to assume the AI is just hype. But getting bad results doesn't mean the tool is broken. Usually, it just means we're using the wrong approach. To get the most out of ChatGPT, it helps to stop looking for a magic wand. Instead, think of it as a brand new, super smart intern you just hired for your channel. Your new intern has read almost every book, article, and website on the internet. But there's a catch. Look at that blank notebook on the podium. Despite all that data, your intern knows absolutely nothing about you, your style, or the specific audience you're trying to reach. Because of this, the quality of your input determines the quality of your output. If you give a vague instruction, you get a vague result. You might hear people call this prompt engineering. You can just think of it as the difference between a boss who mumbles a request and one who leaves a clear written plan on the desk for their employee. Once you start acting like a manager to your digital intern, you'll begin getting results that can actually help your channel grow. To write that perfect brief, we're going to use a simple 4-part framework. These 4 ingredients transform a vague request into clear expert instructions. The first ingredient is the task. This is where you tell the AI exactly what you want it to deliver. Instead of asking for general help, you give a specific assignment, like writing 10 video titles or creating a full content calendar. Next is the context. This is the background information, the who and the why behind the task. For example, you tell the AI that your channel is about video editing and that your target audience is absolute beginners in India who are opening editing software for the first time. Providing these details prevents the AI from handing you broad advice that applies to everyone on the internet, but helps nobody in your specific audience. Our third ingredient is the format. You need to tell the AI exactly how to present its answer. If you want the ideas organized neatly, you can instruct it to present the output in a tabular format. Finally, we have the role. This is the final part of the brief that tells the intern which expert mindset to use. Instead of letting ChatGPT answer as a general chatbot, you give it a job title. You tell it to act specifically as an expert YouTube strategist with 7 years of experience in growing channels. When you combine these 4 elements, you force the AI to narrow its vast database into a highly specialized tool tailored strictly for your channel. Explaining your channel goals every single time would be a lot of work. Fortunately, there's a setting called memory that handles this for you. Once you've explained your audience and niche in a prompt, just add one short line to the end. Save this information to your memory. By doing this, the AI remembers your style for the next time you log in. It turns a forgetful intern into a personalized assistant. Let's look at what happens when we replace a beginner's one-sentence question with our new 4-part brief. The original prompt gives us a before result that's just a list of predictable topics. There's no hook and nothing in the text that makes a viewer want to click. But the result of our detailed brief is different. The output is targeted, structured, and packed with ideas tailored to our exact style. The titles are more clickable, and you can hear the tone of a seasoned strategist in the recommendations. The AI didn't get smarter. You just gave it the right guardrails to stay on track for your specific audience. This graphic shows the framework we just built. Take a screenshot so you have it ready for your next working session. Remember, give your intern a role, assign a specific task, provide the context, and dictate the format. AI is here to assist your creativity, but you're still the director. Open up a new chat and put your new intern to work.